Why double glass solar panels? In recent years, with the unprecedented growth of solar power generation worldwide and the steady improvement in photovoltaic products' performance, the demand for high-quality, high-reliability photovoltaic panels that can operate in harsh environments without rapid degradation has greatly increased. In order to meet the demand, Coulee has successfully completed the development of double-glass solar panels and started mass production of these photovoltaic glass panels in early August 2018. Coulee's standard 60-cell and 72-cell monocrystalline solar panels are encapsulated using 2.5 mm or 2.0 mm thick high-strength tempered glass with either a frameless design. Customers could require traditional aluminum frames as well. Together with half-cut cell technology and the latest improvements on PERC cells, M6 166 mm and M10 182 mm, Coulee is preparing a new generation product, CL Rise, using 182 mm, M10, half-cut cells, which expect to reach 550 watts mono-PERC half-cut panels. Compared with ordinary glass solar panels that only cover the front, double-glass solar panels are proven to be more reliable and durable, and weatherproof deployed in extreme environments under high temperature, high humidity, windy, salt alkali, or drought conditions, such as coastal frontiers, fishing grounds, and deserts. Besides, Coulee's double-glass solar panel design is based on the IEC standard 1500-volt system, with a 30-year performance warranty, that is, no more than 2.5% power degradation in the first year and subsequent linear annual degradation rate of 0.5%. At the end of the warranty period, these double-glass solar panels' performance level is still 85% of their original rated power. The highly efficient double-glass solar panels also feature a lower temperature coefficient, low light-induced degradation, and better performance in shaded conditions, greatly improving the actual power output. This represents an excellent choice for users, enabling an attractive return on investment. Ms. Lin, CEO of Coulee, said, "The start of mass production of double-glass solar panels for the global market, which once again demonstrates Coulee's tradition of providing customers with superb photovoltaic glass panels, as well as our commitment to meet the ever-increased worldwide demand for clean energy, through technological innovation and continuous performance improvement." Coulee double-glass solar panels can be designed and produced in various dimensions with different numbers of cells, 36, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72 cells, etc. Allows adjusting the light transmission and shading level inside the building by regulating the solar cell's distance during the production process. Ideal for various applications. Double-glass solar panels are somewhat a new type of building material, BIPV, providing clean and sustainable energy without any additional investment. They are great for building parking lots, greenhouses, shopping malls, etc. Their design is compatible with the most conventional glazing systems for facades and skylights. Exceptional performance. Double-glass solar panels can withstand high humidity, high temperatures, sandstorms, ultraviolet, and corrosion, making them more reliable and durable to ensure a long lifetime of more than 30 years. Together with enhanced performance by PERC technology, it leads to greater and quicker energy savings and faster ROI than standard solar panels. Bifacial solar panels? Bifacial solar panels or double-sided solar panels have many advantages over traditional solar panels. Electricity can be generated from both sides of the bifacial panels, increasing the total energy generation. They are generally more durable because of the UV resistance on both sides, and when the bifacial panels are flameless, the potential induced degradation (PID) concerns are reduced. When the bifacial panels generate more power in a smaller array footprint, they will also reduce the balance of system (BOS) cost. There are various designs of bifacial solar panels. Some are framed, while others are frameless. Some are double-sided glass, while others using clear backsheets. But one thing is constant, that is, electricity is generated from both sides. There are frameless, double-glass solar panels, exposing the rear of cells, but not bifacial. True bifacial panels have contacts, busbars both on the front and back of the cells. That's all about this topic. If you like it, please like it. If you love it, subscribe. Thank you.